YouTube, it's your boy Dave. Welcome to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. Today is Christmas Eve, shorty. We finna get right into the video, man. Merry Christmas to everybody, because I'm gonna most likely drop this video on Christmas Day. I just woke up, man, but my good customer, he said he wants some shit, so I'm bringing him some shit, man. I got some little shoes for his daughter, some hoodies, all type of shit. So Merry Christmas to everybody. Hopefully y'all having a good Christmas Day. Hopefully y'all got everything that y'all wanted. Y'all know Dave will go get y'all a little POV. I know I ain't been dropping for y'all, but I'm back, man. I'm back. Back in business. Make sure that y'all hit that sub button, man. Road to 90K. I'm trying to get that plaque, shorty. So y'all know I'm on that grind. Y'all thought that was something? Oh my fuck! Ah! Ow! 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 Shit! Oh, grandma? Grandma, you tweaking? Hold up! Ooh, she in that Lexus thing. She in that Lexus thing. It should be low-key traffic. I'm on my way downtown to a little high-rise, man. Look, this is a VIP client, man. I'm on my way to this little high-rise right now. So I'm going to show y'all the little skyline and shit, man. Y'all, look. Just sit back, relax, and watch the motherfucking video, shorty. Got grandma to the cut. Her little hat on. She just went Christmas shopping for her nephews and shit. Come on. Get the fuck out the way. You need a damn alignment on that motherfucker, boy. Oh, hold on, I gotta hold this phone. Dang, all these bumps. Whoa! Oh, shit, boy. Watch out, boy. Y'all tweaking. Oh, photo. Y'all ass. Oh, let me wipe out that motherfucker. I can't be showing y'all that. These tweaking though. I was finna cut up, but folk, my ass is hot as hell right now. What the fuck? My shit burning. Folks, it smell like bacon in this motherfucker. My cheeks burning like a motherfucker, boy. Oh! I ain't gonna lie, that shit never get old. That shit old, Tesla. And that joint matte black. Yeah, y'all look, decent pool. It's cold out here though, so can't go too fucking crazy, man. Look, I love my life, I got a whole son. I ain't gonna be doing crazy shit for y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just do enough. Oh, shit! These roads bumpy. Oh, shit. Folk, they need to, they need to fix these motherfuckers, boy. They need to fix these roads, boy. This shit is not fun. This shit feel like a fucking roller coaster, boy. On bro grade. Real roller coaster ride. Real roller coaster. Hey, let me know what y'all boys got for Christmas, folks. I'm at the point where shit, I be grateful anyways, folks. If my grandma give me some little white tees, I be grateful. I don't be can. I ain't young no more, folks. This Christmas traffic ain't no joke. POV in traffic. POV in Christmas traffic. Everybody going downtown right now to go to motherfucking Lululemon and motherfucking the damn Apple stuff. Get that girl a damn pink iPad and some damn Lululemon sweatsuits and shit. Leggings. One hand bandit. no-hand bandit. Oh, shit. Put my head on this motherfucker, boy. I dare that just flew on the other fucking side of the interstate, boy. Got Paul Walker with me. Come on, Paul. Got blood in them with me. We tweaking out here. This traffic ain't no joke. Hey, he on they ass, boy. He on they bubba. My fault, y'all. My damn quality of my camera, I don't know. It was focusing on something else. I don't know what it was on. Can't walk all the way back there. I was in a high speed where my broski, it was me and him, just him and me, round with 2 felonies because we got one apiece. Oh, BD, Glock 27 compact, kept that one with me. Bro, Gray, what Herb say? Anyways, we was just out riding. Oh. Hey, those cars funny as shit, folks. Bro, I see Miss Goddamn It hopped out of one of them motherfuckers. That be like my grandma's living room, folks. I'm like, damn. That joint got hella space. But I think he was in that joint that extend though. He was in that jumbo joint. Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me, coming through. Man, this is so crazy. Before I grew up going to White Sox games, they so ass, folks. That shit be low-key hurting my heart, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Still got love for him, but shit. Cause nah, though, me and my cousin used to go at it, folks, cause he loved the Cubs, I love the White Sox. I just never been in no Cubs game. And he never even been in no damn Cubs game. I don't know why that nigga love the damn Cubs. Nigga, I don't know why you love the Cubs, boy. You ain't never been in no damn Cubs game. That fire-ass stadium. The Cubs stadium all the way up north, folks. Ain't nobody going to no damn Cubs game, boy. Even though it ain't like that, it's fucking 2 hours away, bro. I just feel like that the White Sox stadium was just more convenient, bro. Find out what you gonna do, sweetheart. Please find out what you gonna do. Bro, them damn bucket boys will harass your ass, boy. Like, damn. Had to cut the camera, folks. I'm on some like phone, ain't got no chain. I looked up, phone. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap in my rap. I ain't show them, but I'm gonna show y'all. Look, for like I ain't got nothing on me, for. If I had a couple dollars, I would have gave it to him. I got a huncho, but for hell no, I got a son, folk. You crazy, but you must be out of your mind if you think I'm finna give you this huncho, boy. Folks, this another. Damn. They got cyber trucks out here like they motherfucking Toyota Camrys. For my boy, third lane. Bro, this joint be echoing off buildings.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, my job here is done, man. I done ran up a bag on Christmas Eve. My son Christmas finna look real good, gang. Real good. Ooh, that joint look decent. Porsche. It's just really that color. That joint don't even really look that damn cold, just that color. Cold as hell. She going to get her some pizza. Go my boy, Unique Shop. Unique Chicago, man, go shop. Alright, y'all. Well, I just wanted to get y'all that ass a little POV before Christmas Day, man. Christmas Day. I have to get y'all something, man. Y'all know that boy Davo, like, I've been sleeping, but I ain't been that sleep, man. I gotta still fuck with y'all. I gotta still rock with y'all. I gotta get y'all the content that y'all boys been wanting. Man, I know I've been uploading like once every weekend. Y'all just don't understand, man. Your boy getting older. I'm really growing out of this shit. Like, this shit's still fun to me, but I'm really growing out this shit, man. I'm just been trying to handle real business, real life situations and shit. But y'all gonna understand when y'all get older, bro. I know a lot of y'all still young. Y'all still in school watching these videos. But, hey, and y'all that's up on Christmas break, too. So I really should be spamming y'all ass right now. That's damn what I'm gonna do these last like 2 weeks. I'm gonna just start spamming y'all. I know y'all on Christmas break. Y'all ain't got nothing to do with that at the crib, shorty. So I'm gonna just keep on giving y'all just bangers, man. This whole 2 weeks that I got, I'm gonna just try to go back to like 4 videos a week. The main reason that I really ain't been dropping 4 videos a week, bro, is because my thumbnail person, bro. Like, my thumbnail person, his ass really be just doing the thumbnails that he wanna do and like the people that he wanna do and holding back other people's shit. Like, bro, that shit just be the worst. So shit, my last couple videos, I've been doing my own thumbnails, bro, because I be trying to get videos out. I don't be trying to wait. So like, basically, bro, say if I record this video today and I send him the freaking thumbnail today, he won't get done with that thumbnail until like almost 2 damn weeks, bro. 3 fucking weeks. Like, folks be sleeping, bro, and it's like, bro, at least get it back in like 2 days or something, which 2 days for a thumbnail that take, like, he raw as hell, so it probably only take him like 20 to 30 seconds to really glass some shit. Probably the maximum time, I'd say 2 minutes, bro. Like, he do shit so easy and quick. It's just, he just do shit when he feel like it. But yeah, though, y'all, it's been your boy Davo, and I'm out, gang.